Aside from my soul. Good morning everybody, what's up and welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be a vlog because we are gonna go on a road trip to Dahanu. There is one resort, Farm Lake. I'm not sure of the name because my husband has done all the booking and stuff. It's my birthday week. Today is July 3rd. Tomorrow is my birthday and we are gonna celebrate it there. Thank you for that. But yeah, we are gonna celebrate it there. Abhi, we are all dressed up. My hair, I've washed it, so it's a little wet, but I'm so excited. We are gonna go with family and friends. Some people are comfortable being on camera, some people are not. So I probably won't be taking people who are not comfortable, but it's gonna be a fun vlog. It's gonna be so exciting. I'm turning 27. Time just passes by. 20s mein it was very exciting. Oh, I'm turning 21. Oh, I'm turning 23 or something. I'm turning 27. In 3 years, I'm going to be 30. It's scary, yet I'm happy that I'm getting this experience to grow old and be happy. It's a mixed feeling. For now, let's go on a road trip. अच्छा है क्लियरिटी. Okay, my friend over here Vishal has got a new phone. कौन सा है? Vivo X60. So ये vlog अभी ये phone पे vlog होने वाला है because इसमें gimbal mode है as I've heard. So I want to check कि true है कि नहीं, right? सब लोग को recommend भी हो जाएगा कि ये phone लेना भी चाहिए कि नहीं. True test होगा ये phone का. Gimbal mode है. Check करते हैं. Okay, so we are currently at Virar Highway and we have taken a pit stop because भूख लगी है. अभी यहाँ पर आगरी कट्टा है, होटल ओम साई राम करके, यहाँ पर हम लोग खाना खाने वाले हैं. This is a really good place. हम लोग actually इसके opposite में और एक है शिव साई आगरी कट्टा. The food over there is amazing and यहाँ का भी review सुना है कि यहाँ का food is also amazing. Chicken lapeta, prawns lapeta, fishes, like literally everything, and the taste is amazing. I'm super excited to have food. So अभी कुछ खाते हैं. The food is here. That's chicken, नहीं prawns lapeta है ना? Some rice bhakri and surmai fry. Reached the place. It took us around like 30 minutes.
Yes.
So अभी सब सामान निकाल रहे हैं and I'm so excited to see the room. So let's go.
Guys, एक मिनट थांबो.
काय ले? This is the room. उसका TV cabinet है something. And जैसे ही go outside, there's a lake right in front of you. Very serene, very pretty. This is the pool area. Pool अच्छा खासा बड़ा है यार और clean भी लग रहा है. When someone gets a new phone, photographer pro light हो जाते हैं सब लोग.
दोस्त
अच्छा है रे. कैमरा तो क्लियरिटी एंड एवरीथिंग इज रियली गुड.
झाड़ को लेके निकाला गया, मुझे लगा झाड़ के साथ, झाड़ के बिना निकालेगा मेरे को.
झाड़ के साथ ही अच्छा दिख रहा है.
यहाँ पर आप लोग बोटिंग भी कर सकते हैं. यहाँ पर एक बोट है.
बोटिंग चालू है क्या
पता नहीं चालू है कि नहीं, बट होपफुली रहे. एंड वहाँ पर गार्डन भी है. So we are currently near the pool and this is what I'm wearing. Thor ka t-shirt.
Yeah.
Hello. That's Vishal, by the way. He is a fun person. Arre. Yeah. That's happening.
Hello.
So we're gonna go in the pool.
ए 12 बजे तो मेरे को बता, मैं उठाऊंगा इधर. श्रुति आग बंद कर. Happy birthday to you.
Happy birthday to you.
Happy birthday
Dear
Shruti. Happy birthday to you.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday dear Shruti. Happy birthday to you. May God bless you. May God bless you. May God bless you. Happy birthday to you.
कैसे है केक?
एक नंबर.
खा.
मस्त यार, केक सही है.
एक नंबर ना. ओ फक, क्या केक है मेरे भाई.
मस्त.
अरे फक, एक नंबर केक है भाई. एक बोला
Taste bro.
भाई मेरी
एक नंबर केक है.
भाई मेरी भाभी
वसूल bro.
बोल रहा तेरे को.
मस्त यार, टेस्ट है.
डार्क चॉकलेट, फुल डार्क चॉकलेट.
किधर जा रहा है?
कहीं रबती मर्जी है. Oh my God. होली यारी. तेरी दीवारी.
Good morning, everybody. Today is my birthday, and look at the background. It's so beautiful, so green. और यहाँ पर सब इधर चीकू के झाड़ है. You can literally pluck and eat. Like it's everywhere. Yesterday night was so much fun. जो आप लोगों ने थोड़े clips देखे हैं, that went on for quite some time. I think 3 to 4. I just slept, and we woke up, had our breakfast. And now we probably will be doing boating or go back to the pool. It's raining. It's so good. It's feeling so good today. It's so green and the aura in general is amazing. So we still have a more half day. So we came yesterday शाम का time check in किया है. तो आज शाम तक we do have the time so we can do boating and go back to the pool again. So that's what we're gonna do. इधर ही रह गया and he's gone. Just come back from pool. As you can see, we are all wet. इतना धूप और गर्मी था, like I can't. It was so hot, but we had so much fun. Now we're gonna change quickly and have some food because I'm starving. Hopefully food बहुत अच्छा रहे. By the way, हम लोगों ने prawns और chicken लाया था खुद से, like 1 kilo prawns, 1 kilo chicken लाया था, and we gave it to the chef over here, and he made it. The prawns was amazing. बहुत ही सही prawns बनाया था. तो if you're a non-vegetarian, I would request you to get your own prawns or chicken or whatever and ask them to make it. It was amazing. अभी lunch का wait है. We're gonna have food, rest for some time, and then probably because checkout का time हो जाएगा any which ways. So yeah, I'll quickly change. And this is what we have for food. कैसा? Good? And that's it for today's video, guys. We have checked out. खाना बहुत amazing था. अभी घर जाके बाकी का दिन celebrate करेंगे, right?
Yeah.
And I'll see you guys in my next video. Don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe to my channel. And yeah, I'll see you guys in my next video.
Spider-Man's control and Batman with his fist. And clearly I don't see myself upon that list.